Okay guys, let's have a look at the last question in this section then, I think, for now. And we've got this series here, 1 minus 3 minus 7. There was a plus in the graphic, but it's clearly a minus because the pattern just continues to be the same. And we need to find out how many terms do we need in order for the sum to be less than minus 1000. So how many terms in the sequence are required? So here, what have we got then? The first term is 1, and d, well, it's clear you're taking away 4 each time, aren't we? So Sn will be n over 2. Let's just write down the formula. 2a plus n minus 1 lots of d. Let's put in the values. 2 lots of a is 2 ones are 2. N minus 1 lots of d, which is minus 4. So we've got n over 2. Bracket. Expand the bracket. You're going to get plus 4 plus 2 is 6. And you're going to get minus 4n, aren't you? So we can write that as 6 minus 4n. There's a 2 common throughout, so we'll take that outside the bracket to cancel with the 2 that's already there underneath. And we're left with 3 minus 2n, aren't we? So we've got that. n 3 minus 2 times 3 minus 2n. So let's try some values then, shall we? Minus 1000, 20, 30. Let's try 30, shall we? Let's try 30. And see what that adds up to. Let's get our calculator then. We want 30 times bracket 3 minus 2n, so it'll be 3 take away 2 times 30, close bracket. So there's our template then that we can just adjust. We get minus 1710, which is rather a lot. S30 equals minus 1710, so that didn't go according to plan really, did it? Let's try n equals 20 then. 20, let's just try 20 and see what we get. So let's go back through and change where we see a 30. We're going to need to put a 20, aren't we? So back through, and we'll put a 20. Minus 740. So it'll be between these two. So let's try S23, shall we? Let's try that. Calculator. Let's go back and change the 20 to 23. Back here. Let's see what we get. Minus 989. Now that's good because that underpins what we're going to do next is 24. So let's go back, and this one should be okay now, shouldn't it? So let's put 4 in there and 4 in here, and I should get the answer. Minus 1080. There we go. So this was n equals 23, and lastly it was n equals 24. So we need, for the sum to be less than minus 1000, we're going to need 24 terms. 24 terms in the sequence. Okay then, that's 30 done. That finishes this section then. Good. And I hope you got some benefit from it. And look forward to catching you again in the next section or on another app. Okay guys, cheers.